So what's the value of x minus y quantity squared? We can write that out. It becomes x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. So we would need to know each of those things in order to be able to answer the question. Statement 1 gives us the value of xy, but it doesn't give us x squared and y squared, so, that's not enough. We need more. It's not one on its own, and it's not either statement individually. Statement 2, when we write this out, it becomes x squared plus 2xy plus y squared equals 26, which is close. We could subtract one of these equations from the other. We'll call this equation 1 and this one equation 2. We could add them together or subtract them to cancel out the x squareds and the y squareds, but we'd still end up with 4xy in the middle equaling 26, and that wouldn't help us out. So on its own, statement 2, not sufficient. Combining the two, we can see how this is going to work. We know that x times y is 1, so we can ends up being x squared. Actually, we want to use this one up here. Xy is 1, so this becomes x squared plus 2 plus y squared equals 26. So x squared plus y squared equals 24. We can now use that in our other equation down here. We know that this is, to rewrite this one, this is x squared plus y squared minus 2xy. We know that x squared plus y squared is 24. We know that 2xy is going to be 1, so it's minus 2 equals 22. Now, as soon as you realized you could solve it the rest of the way, that's the point where you stop on the GMAT and keep going on to the next question. But I don't have that pressure on me, so I just wanted to show you how that would work. The two statements in conjunction are sufficient, so it's answer choice C.